This is a Temu purchase wood router for woodworking. So the brand is Handwise, and this was at around $21 at Temu.com. And just showing you that it already came in assembled. You have, of course, the power plug with it, like protective glasses. It's plastic, and then it came with gloves as well, and of course the manual, and then the accessories that you would have to use when you will start doing the woodworking. It has this manual that I'm showing you because it's really small. So if you want to take a look at this manual quick, where you can read it, you can use this video as well. You can read it easily, or you can use your phone and make it bigger. There's also, if you've in your Temu purchase cart or order history, there's manual as well that they keep there. You can download it if you want, just in case they take, because most of the time Temu takes off some items I've noticed that I've bought. So with the manual, of course, it tells you what to do first, and there's assembly instruction, trimmer guide, and maintenance. Again, this already came in assembled, but make sure you read safety guidelines as well. It's heavy. It does feel heavy, and it doesn't feel like cheap. I will show you when I turned it on, and it's not as loud as I thought it would be. I have not tried using it for the woodworking yet, but it does have all the instructions there. You can do circular work, the trimmings, and again, here are the accessories that came with it. And that's the actual sound. So it's not very loud, but make sure you be careful, and again, read the safety instructions first. I will be doing a video once I start doing one woodworking project, but right now it's under $20 in Temu. And this brand Handwise is not coming up, so you would want to just type woodworking router so you can find it. Again, I will be doing another video with this with it on an actual route, like woodworking, but that part you can take it off. That's the adjustment, and you can detach it, and that's it.